Welcome to Best Choice. The best so wrong it's right is probably one of the most sought-after items in the world right now, and for good reason. It's a product that promises to revolutionize your daily routine, offering unparalleled convenience and efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, this item is designed to impress with its intuitive features and robust performance. We've scoured the market, tested countless alternatives, and are here to tell you why this particular model stands head and shoulders above the rest, making it a worthy addition to your life. Number 5. Logitech G Pro X Superlight Wireless Gaming Mouse. This is the ultimate gaming mouse, meticulously designed with input from top esports professionals. It's engineered for peak performance, representing the pinnacle of our dedication to winning. Experience unparalleled agility with its ultra-lightweight design, weighing under 63 grams. This is achieved through a hyperminimal redesign, resulting in a significant weight reduction. Powered by Lightspeed technology, this mouse is our fastest and most reliable pro mouse to date. Enjoy a seamless and responsive gaming experience. Achieve incredibly precise, fast, and consistent control thanks to the Hero sensor. It's engineered from the ground up for the best possible gaming performance. Large, zero-additive PTFE feet ensure a smooth glide, providing a pure and fluid connection with your game. It's compatible with Windows and macOS systems. Choose the color that best suits your setup. It's available in both classic black and sleek white options. What we like. This mouse is engineered for peak performance, boasting an ultra-lightweight design that makes every movement feel effortless. Its speed and reliability are unmatched, ensuring you stay ahead in any competition. If you are a competitive gamer seeking a professional edge and prioritize speed and a feather-light feel, this is the ultimate choice for you. What people say. It's really light like 50G and it helps reduce fatigue during gameplay. The sensor is extremely accurate and responds with no delay. It's super easy to flick around, no wrist fatigue, and really smooth on the mousepad. Tracking is spot on, clicks feel clean and satisfying, and I haven't had any connection issues at all. This mouse is one of the lightest non-honeycomb mice on the market, and of every wireless mouse out there I believe that it is the lightest, so it has a lot going for it on top of the usual top-tier sensor that all expensive mice have. Number 4. Into the AM Men's Soft Cotton Blend Crew Neck Tee. Experience the ultimate softness with our premium cotton blend. It's designed for all-day comfort, making it your new favorite everyday essential. Enjoy an athletic fit that moves with you, whether you're hitting the gym or just relaxing. It offers a flattering silhouette without compromising on ease. This plain crew neck tee is the perfect foundation for any casual outfit. Dress it up or down, it's a timeless piece that always looks great. Crafted from a high-quality soft cotton blend, this t-shirt is built to last. It retains its shape and softness wash after wash. Available in a wide range of sizes from S to 4XL, we ensure a great fit for every body type. Find the perfect size for you. This is more than just a t-shirt, it's a wardrobe staple. Its clean design and superior feel make it an indispensable part of your casual wear collection. What we like. Experience ultimate comfort with this tee, crafted from a soft cotton blend that feels great against your skin. Its athletic fit provides a modern silhouette, perfect for both active days and casual lounging. If you value comfort, a flattering fit, and a versatile staple for your everyday wardrobe, this is the perfect addition. What people say. The blended material makes them super soft and comfortable. Washed often and still like new. My husband likes the cotton, stretch and fit. They are tall so he doesn't feel like his stomach shows every time he has to reach for something, as he is 6 feet 4 inches. The heather gray and navy shirts are great quality. They are thick so they feel of good quality but not thick like going to make you hot. Number 3. Vitamix Professional Series 750 Blender. Experience effortless blending with 5 pre-programmed settings. Enjoy walk-away convenience and consistent results for all your favorite recipes. Take full command of your creations with variable speed control and a pulse feature. Manually fine-tune the texture to perfection for any dish. The low-profile 64-ounce container is ideal for family meals and entertaining. It fits conveniently under most kitchen cabinets. Our hardened stainless steel blades are engineered to tackle the toughest ingredients. Achieve the same high-quality results with every blend. Cleaning is a breeze. Just add a drop of dish soap and warm water, and it cleans itself in under a minute. This package includes the motor base, a 64 ounces container, a cookbook, a getting started guide, a DVD, and a tamper. What we like. This blender offers unparalleled convenience with its automated blending programs and self-cleaning function, saving you precious time. The hardened stainless steel blades effortlessly tackle any ingredient, ensuring perfect results every time. If you're looking for a powerful, easy-to-use appliance that simplifies meal prep and cleanup, especially for smoothies, soups, and frozen desserts, this is an excellent investment. What people say. Both blenders are powerhouses that can accomplish all of the tasks as advertised and will, overall, outperform any other blender on the market. If you're looking for a blender that will work well and blend everything from purees to dry ingredients, including ice, just get a Vitamix. With just a little learning curve, the Vitamix blenders will get the job done. The Vitamix blenders are amazing machines, and I have made a lot of things in mine. Smoothies, yes, yes, yes. I've made a lot of smoothies in my Ninja. I've made a lot of smoothies in my Vitamix, and the Vitamix easily makes a smoother smoothie. Hot soup, I've seen a lot of demos for this and I was intrigued. Yes, you can make soup in the Vitamix from cold ingredients. It takes about 6 minutes from when you start the blender. Number 2. You find it offensive? I find it funny. Sarcastic t-shirt. Are you tired of people taking things too seriously? This shirt is designed for those who appreciate a good dose of sarcasm and humor. It's perfect for making a statement and sparking conversations. This casual novelty tee is all about expressing your funny side. It's a great way to show off your personality and sense of humor in a light-hearted way. We take pride in our quality. This shirt is printed right here in the USA, ensuring great design and durability for your enjoyment. Looking for a unique gift for the witty person in your life? This sarcastic tee is sure to be a hit. It's a fun and memorable present for any occasion. Enjoy ultimate comfort while showcasing your clever wit. This t-shirt is made for everyday wear, allowing you to express yourself with ease and style. Don't just wear a t-shirt, wear a message. This piece is for those who aren't afraid to be bold and express their unique perspective with a touch of humor. What we like. Make a statement with this tee that's designed to spark conversation and laughter, featuring a bold sarcastic message. It's made for those who appreciate a good dose of humor and aren't afraid to show it. If you're looking for a fun, casual novelty item that expresses your witty personality and supports domestic printing, this shirt is a must-have. What people say. The product has a sleek and modern design that fits well with contemporary decor. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate and operate, even for beginners. The build quality is excellent, with durable materials that feel premium to the touch. Number 1. So wrong it's right. Dare to be different. Sometimes, the most unconventional choices lead to the most brilliant outcomes. It's about challenging norms and finding beauty in the unexpected. Break free from the ordinary. This is for those who aren't afraid to stand out and make a statement. It's a celebration of individuality and bold expression. Discover the captivating power of contrast. Where opposing elements come together to create something truly unique and memorable. It's a harmonious blend of the unexpected. This is more than just a product, it's an attitude. It embodies a spirit of rebellion and a commitment to authenticity. Be unapologetically yourself. Experience the thrill of the unconventional. It challenges perceptions and redefines what is considered right. Prepare to be surprised by its unique appeal. What we like. This product offers a truly unique and memorable experience, challenging conventional thinking with its distinctive viewpoint. It's designed to be engaging and leave a lasting impression on its audience. If you appreciate content that is unconventional, thought-provoking, and stands out from the ordinary, you should definitely explore what this has to offer. What people say. It's all good and there isn't a track on this CD that I'm not feeling or want to skip by to get to the end of the CD. Because to me it's that good, with pop and rock influences abound on this release. The vinyl does not have wrapping issues, and the sound quality were satisfactory. The whole album is great, but honestly, I'd probably have bought it just for Remembering Sunday. You can find the Amazon purchase podcast's link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.